Hey guys, it's me, Janice. Oh, how are you guys doing? Yeah, remix. And that's how you do voices. So, today we're gonna try to do voices and be silly about many things. My name is George. Practice, practice, practice. That's all you can do. Voices and sounds. This is how you do this. This. I can't teach you everything. You gotta practice. Practice. You gotta do everything by practicing and watching and mimicking and going over and over and over and over and over and over. I'm getting old. Anyways, practice your voices. Train your voice into something better and learn how to do sounds. Mmm. 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 Oh. Remix. Epper. Check 1, 2. So that is how you do some voices slash sounds slash this slash that. I want you guys to understand that I can do a lot, I have many talents, and I'm ready to show them every single day this week. So be prepared, subscribe, comments, like, all that good stuff, because I'm going to do many voices and acting, and you'll never know that if it's just random or if it's just me. But no, this is my regular voice, and those were just other voices I can do and sounds and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, and I may do a skit or I may do a video with someone else, but find out tomorrow. But you have to be subscribed. Only subscribers should be here. Peace out. Much love. Pow.